The Naik family are converted Christians on the road for 3 days, hiding in forests or in Christian villages. They now head to the relief camp in Tikawal.
They tell us, leave your religion and convert to Hinduism.
Convert to Hinduism or be killed is the slogan the tribal Kandhas have been using. But this isn't just about one community forcing its religion on another. The violence and animosity in Kandhamal goes back many years. The tribal Kandhas make up 55% of the population. The Dalit Pannas, 15%. But the overall Christian population is 25% and rising, posing a threat to the Kandhas. Drawn by Christian missionary schools, medical clinics and jobs, the Pannas converted to Christianity while Hindu groups won over the Kandhas. In the 2004 Orissa Assembly elections, the Biju Janata Dal, the Congress and the BJP won a seat each in Kandhamal. All three political parties cashing in on the Kandha-Panna communal divide. 22-year-old Littu Diggal, a Panna from Gunjibari village, is today a BA pass, thanks to the International Evangelical Church. His BA certificate is what the Kandhas burnt first, when his village was attacked a day after Swami Lakshmananda's murder. But Littu insists he will never convert back to Hinduism.
तो सुबह भी ऐसे न्यूज़ दिए थे कि हम आ रहे हैं, आप लोगों को हिंदू बनाएंगे, ऐसे करेंगे, लेकिन हम खुदा को जानते हैं, वो जहाँ के हम जितनी पाप करते हैं पाप से वो हमको बचा लेते हैं, लेकिन हिंदू में ऐसा कोई गढ़ नहीं है जो कि हम पापों से बचाए.
Local pastors like Manoj Naik see nothing wrong in encouraging people like Littu to convert to Christianity.
इसमें हम किसी कन्वर्ट करने का कोई नाम ही नहीं है. वो ऑटोमेटिक वो आएंगे कि हमारा बात करने का तरीका ठीक होता है, तो वो लोग भी सोचते हैं इसका अच्छा लगता है, इसका धर्म में कुछ सिखाया जाता है, इसीलिए वो उसका बातचीत अच्छा लगता है, उसका सब कुछ अच्छा लगता है, ऑटोमेटिक वो लोग चर्च में आने लगते हैं.
Such views anger women like Promodini Malik in Rishigura village. Promodini, a proud Hindu Kandha, was a loyal follower of Swami Lakshmananda. Her husband is an unemployed alcoholic. Her children don't go to school. So when Promodini sees her Christian neighbors living a better life, the anger spills over.
Even though they are converting to Christianity, they have certificates which say they are Hindus, so they get jobs. They don't get jobs when they write they are Christians. On the one hand, you are worshipping Jesus, and on the other hand, you are taking the benefit of being Hindu. What kind of justice is that?
It's a thought echoed by other Kandhas here.
जो हिंदू वाला कृष्ण हो जाता है पहले इसका सारे कहने का, खाने का, रहने का ये सब चेंज हो जाता है.
29-year-old Govind Pradhan is a Kandha VHP leader in Katingia village, a man the Dalit Pannas fear. He's vocal about his hatred for the missionaries and has little respect for those who convert to Christianity. But he has seen neighbouring Christian villages getting concrete houses, while Katingia remains a village of farm labourers. We were not allowed to enter Katingia because Govind said he did not want us to take pictures of the weapons inside the houses, that he said were for security.
समझो आज हमारे पिताजी को किसी ने आकर मर्डर कर दिया, तो स्वाभाविक 5 बेटियों की जरूर अपने पिता के लिए जो श्रद्धा थी, भक्ति थी, बस स्वाभाविक हो सकता है कि हम जो मेरे पिताजी को खून किया है तो हम उसको नहीं छोड़ेंगे.
It's an animosity fueled by vote bank politics and zealous religious propaganda that has led to sporadic violence over the years. Last December, Kandhamal saw violence when an attempt was made on Swami Lakshmananda's life. But the violence this time after his murder has been the worst ever witnessed.
भारतवर्ष को पराधीन करने के लिए ये उनका कार्य चल रहा है.
Coming up, the men behind the conversions in Kandhamal.
हमारा कर्तव्य है बाइबल को बताना है. बाइबल का क्या सत्य लिखा है उसको लोगों को मालूम होना चाहिए.